Hello, today I'm going to show you how to put sale prices for products with variants on Shopify. Let's start. First of all, open your browser. Go to the Shopify website. Now click on the Products option. Choose a product. As you can see, this is the product that I've chosen. Choose a variant and click on Edit. Here you can configure the price to whatever you want. Now click on Save. Choose another variant and change its price. Now click on Save. You can do this with all the remaining variants as well. Now click on Online Store. Click on View Your Store. You can now see that the price for different variants has been changed. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.